cardiac monitor is used to measure the heart rate of a patient after surgery. It compiles the number of heartbeats after T minutes. When the data in a table are graphed, the slope of the tangent line represents the heart rate in beats per minute. Here we have T, which is in minutes, going from 36 to 44, and then here we have the heartbeats. Now, the monitor estimates this value by calculating the slope of a secant line. We're going to use the data to estimate the patient's heart rate after 42 minutes using the secant line between the points with the given values of T. So for part A, we're going to find the slope going from T is equal to 36 to T is equal to 42. So to find the slope, it's going to equal, we're looking at 36 and the output of the heartbeats of 2,530, and then we're looking at 42 and 2948. So we take 2948, subtract 2,530, divided by 42 minus 36 to give us 418 divided by 6, which gives us approximately 69.67. Okay, now we're going to go from T is equal to 38 to T is equal to 42. So now we're going to use this ordered pair with 42, 2,948. So again, we're going to take 2,948, and now we're going to subtract 2,661. And then we're going to take 42 and then subtract 38, which gives us 287 over 4, which is approximately 71.75. Okay, now we're going to take the slope that goes from 40 minutes and 2,806 heartbeats with 42 and 2,948. So again, we're going to find the slope of that. So we get 2,948, subtract 2,806, and then divide that by 42 minus 40, which gives us 142 over 2, which is equal to 71. And then the last order pair that we're using is the 44, 3,080. So now we're going from T is equal to 42 to T is equal to 44. So keep in mind here now, this is going to be the first order pair, and that one is going to be the second. So now we're going to, in order to find the slope here, it's going to equal 3,080, subtract 2,948, and then we're going to take 44 and subtract 42, and we get 132 over 6, which is equal to 66. So now what are our conclusions then from these slopes? Well, what we can say is that from the data, we see that the patient's heart rate is decreasing from 71 to 66 heartbeats per minute after 42 minutes. After being stable for a while, the patient's heart rate is dropping.